Once you've used InDesign to create your work, you need to look at how you are going to share that, either by saving or printing. When we started InDesign, we talked about what is your intent, or where do you intend for this file to go. Now we are looking at the intention of printing or sharing. All along you've been saving this document with File Save. Let's look at some of the options under Save As. Here you can see when you save a document, it saves as a .indd file. But you can also save as a template. So say you design for a magazine and you want to reuse kind of the bones of that design, you can save it as a template and reuse it. You can also save as an IDML file. This is a great thing to remember if you are working in Creative Cloud 2019 and maybe somewhere along the line you need to work with an older version of InDesign. If you save it as an IDML, that's InDesign markup language, it will open in earlier versions. Let's look at how you might save this as a PDF. PDFs allow you to email or post online these design files. Under Adobe PDF presets, you have settings that ship with InDesign. High quality would be generally what you would use if you were going to a print press, although sometimes your printer will send you PDF settings that you can import and use. Press quality and smallest file size are best used for emailing low quality proofs. For export, we can export as a PDF, but we can also export as an interactive PDF if we had hyperlinks or embeds. We're able to create an EPub. This is like an ebook, and these would be the options we would use. Reflowable just means that it kind of rearranges itself as you change it from horizontal to vertical. In our print dialog, there are several things we want to look at. First is where are we going to be printing? Preferably that might be one of the lab or resource center printers. Looking at the print preview is the key to getting the print you would like. So in this case, I've actually created a legal size document, and you can see it won't fit on a letter size paper. So this much of the design will be hanging off. So I'll need to go into my setup and scale it to fit. Now I'll have some white space on the outside. You can print in color to the resource center, and when you send that to print, you'll need to enter your online credentials to print. So that is printing and saving in InDesign.